Hello everyone, this is Chad Trader, and today we want to talk briefly about true freedom and what exactly is that and what does that mean to you. So as we go into the presentation, so basically while it's true that most of us, we think of true freedom as being having choices, right? But what good are those choices if we don't have any resources to do the things that we want to do in life? So with that thought in mind, financial freedom is really what is needed for people to feel and have a sense of freedom in their lives. So ask yourself the question, are you satisfied with your finances? And then there's really two lines that you can go down, right? Either you've got a job and there's some positive aspects of being a job, but it is repetitious and it's kind of like a wheel. But on the top of the list for both of them, there's some things that you can do to actually bring a work-life balance. So there's some positive aspects of having a job and some positive aspects of doing a business. Each of them has their own, different things that you're going to come up against. But basically, you'll look on this wheel here, and you got a regular paycheck. That's what most people, gravitate to the job for. Some of them, it gives them a sense of identity. It gives you a challenge, to do that, learn new skills. You get to meet new people, and you can understand the world in a better place, albeit that you're going to be looking at it through the filtered lenses of that job. Now, owning your own business, you've got a lot of things you can do. It gives you control to do your own work-life balance, and then to work harder for a short amount of time, build up the life that you want. It gives you control over your own destiny. And also, you get to choose the people who you work with. No one else can take that out of your hands that way. So you get to take risk and you get to reap the rewards of those risks. You can challenge yourself to any level that you want, and you can follow your passions and be able to work at the pace that you want to do things at. So if you're a fast-paced worker, you can move on and go, go, go. And if not, you can go at your own pace. And then you can connect better with your clients and things that you are doing. So one of the things that you need to be able to do, right, is to be able to scale whatever it is you're doing. Now, if you're on a job, then you're limited as to what you can scale that to based on whatever type of value and whatever they're willing to pay you. But in the business world, you get more sales, you're going to get more commissions, or you'll get more new business, new bonuses, all of that kind of stuff, and new partners. All of those things you can do that's scalable in a business that you can increase what it is that you're doing. The other thing is being able to diversify your income. So if you got a job, you're just getting it from one spot. If you go into a business, first thing you want to do in the investment sense, as looking at it, is diversify your income. That way, if you lose one income stream, you don't lose all of it. So how can we do that better in what we're doing here at SeizeIt.com along with OnPassive? Well, what we're doing is leveraging teamwork. So we're creating win-win situations where you can use teamwork to diversify your income streams. And one of those that comes to mind really is because we're connecting people around the world based on their own common interest and goals. And one of the ones that all of the teams that we have within SeizeIt.com and the group of founders that we have is the solar. Everybody's interested in doing solar, and it's actually global in what we're going to do. So that's one of the different streams that you could go into and become part of. And we have many of them, and for the sake of time, I don't want to waste too much time right here talking about it. I have the other videos out there if you want to see it, where we're talking about opening up different lines and different streams of income. But it's all to help you diversify. So here we are today, November 22nd, 2020. It's the time of this taping. OnPassive just crossed 300,000 GoFounders. So that's 300,000 people, or I should say positions within OnPassive that is going to be basically committed customers on day one as soon as we launch to the world. So what does that mean? OnPassive is guaranteeing success to each and every one of those accounts. So how does that benefit us, or how does that benefit both a founder and a customer and a reseller of the IT products of OnPassive? So what it's doing is OnPassive is going to brand your company name and logo to each and every one of those accounts. So, OnPassive is not really branding itself. The products of OnPassive is to do everything that you need to take care of your business. So they're going to brand your name, advertise your products. They're going to be able to do everything that you need to show the product benefits and bring sales. They're going to give strong impressions, excellent customer service. The pricing is competitive, the best in the world. It's everything. It's the most extreme value that you could ever imagine in having everything in one platform. Plus, it gives you the repetition to get it out there to build your name and bring you customers on a consistent basis. Okay. So here we go. We're looking at the OnPassive growth rate chart from its inception in July of 2018 until now. Today's date is November 22nd, 2020, where we just reached over 300,000. So what does that mean to someone that's looking in here and they go, man, I wished I could have got in earlier? Well, there's not very many times in history that you actually can do that. But what we've done, and our team of founders are here, we have secured many positions in this red block area from January 2020 through June of 2020. And basically, I have access to all of these and have control over them. So you will have to contact me if you're interested in acquiring one or multiple positions in here. We can put you in multiple teams. We have teams from all over the globe that you can go in. We can find you the best place for you, whether you're 100% passive and you're just wanting to do one thing, or whether you have big dreams and you need to scale up your operations and do your businesses. So basically, that's what we're able to do here to help people reach their financial goals. That's through the team building. That's what we're doing at CZIT.com. OnPassive is poised and set to change the world because it's guaranteeing every person to have success. So down below the video, you'll be able to contact me. Remember, you can look at us and join our Facebook group. Go to CZIT.com or the Facebook group, but you can also email me directly at chad@czit.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day.